Affiliate Millionaire, the affiliate marketer's biggest frustration and how to overcome it. Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's Affiliate Millionaire in 2 minutes, we're going to talk about many affiliate marketers' biggest frustration. And in a moment, I'll reveal a way to overcome it as well. When starting an affiliate marketing business, it is usually a one-person gig. Yep, you become the chief, the cook, and the bottle washer all in one. There are niches to research, products to find, keywords to discover, websites and sales funnels to build, content to create, social profiles to set up, backlinks to build, traffic to get, conversions to track, optimizations to do, and so very much more. So you really have to get a handle on how to manage your time versus your money. What do you do yourself to save money versus have someone else do to save your time and effort? The answer to this will greatly depend on you. What are your skills, knowledge, and experience? If you are just starting out, you may have a lot to learn before you get started to avoid making mistakes others have made you before you. The best thing to do is get help on things that you are not as good at, but sometimes you don't have the luxury of making this choice, especially when just starting out. So you do have to do it all. So now the big reveal on how to overcome this huge frustration. What you want to do is learn how to manage your time effectively. Write down daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, and focus on getting through them. Be relentless in focusing on them, and you will get through them. If you like these quick hit internet marketing videos, please click the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. In the next video, we'll discuss why 99% of affiliates fail and how you can be 1% that succeed. See you then.